Hello friends, my name is Neetu Sethia. I'm a teacher by profession teaching Vedic maths and abacus. I'm also a certified parenting coach through Deep Organization and recently been certified as mind trainer through Brain Infinity being led by Mr. Vikas Nagru. I'm really thankful to him for giving me such an opportunity to attend this session which was a great stress reliever. In fact, his main motive is to spread stress free education throughout the country. Through his session, he took us deep inside our brain and made us learn different yogas, meditation, mudras, then super brain power yoga, and brain gym, which was a part of a brain assembly program where the activities were done in a fun manner and created a lot of energy which can help in fact the kids to improve their concentration and focus too. All these yogas, meditation, they are really effective in enhancing the power and the utilization of brain. Apart from it, we learn different techniques to improve the concentration power. Then we learned different asanas which can enhance our digestion process. Moreover, we even learned some exercises to relieve the stain and the pain in our eyes. His sessions, I must say, were very simple, interactive, informative, and all were supported with simple examples which made our learning more effective. In fact, all our concerns were addressed with scientific approach. That's why I would like to recommend this program for everyone as everyone will be benefited out of it. Moreover, for this program, you do not need any particular uh, qualification. You just need a seeking mind. That's all. And you can see the magic happening with you. So, once again, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Vikas Nagru, who is the who is wonderful coach, a superb mentor, and a great facilitator. The cherry on the cake is that we all participated in an initiative being taken by the team Brain Infinity by the name of Tune Your Mind, and we all went FB Live, Facebook Live, and we were able to impact 10,000 people. It was really a grand success. We were able to steal the show, and it really boosted our confidence to a great level. So, in the end, I would really say thank you, sir, for enrooting us to a newer self. Looking forward for many more learnings from you. Thank you.